Hi guys! Today I'm showing you how I make perfect homemade hot chocolate that's good to the very last drop. It's cold outside and this is the perfect drink to keep you warm. So let's get started. In a small sauce pot, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar into a sifter and let it fall through to the pan. Then add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, placing it into the sifter as well. You can use a whisk or a fork to help break up any bits of the cocoa powder to get them all through the sifter. Next, I am pouring in 1 cup of milk. I'm using whole milk, but you could of course use low-fat milk if you like. Then I'm adding in a splash of vanilla extract, and I'm going to take my pot over to the stove and I'm going to put it on a high heat and I'm going to stir it all together using my whisk. When you first start stirring your hot cocoa ingredients together, it'll look like they're not really blending, but give it some time and keep stirring it every minute or two, and the heat will slowly start melting everything and combining all your ingredients together into your delicious hot cocoa. Once it all looks melted together, I add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and I whisk it until it's all combined. Then I add another 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and combine it again using my whisk. So altogether, I'm adding 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream into my mixture. Once everything is all stirred together and combined, I let it sit on the heat and get nice and hot, and then I pour it into my mug. Adding in the heavy cream just makes it all the more decadent and delicious, but it's not necessary. So if you don't have any heavy whipping cream on hand, don't worry, you can make it without the cream. The final step is just adding on a handful of marshmallows and enjoying your delicious cup of homemade hot cocoa. I hope you enjoy this recipe and it helps keep you warm during the winter months. Thanks for watching.